Hello guys, so today I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how I made this very delicious goat meat stew. You guys, this stew came out so nice, so well, it was so tasty and I loved it. So let's get right into it. To make this stew, here are some ingredients you'll be needing. I have my red bell peppers, cayenne peppers, scotch bonnet peppers. I have my cow skin and some tomato paste. This is about 400 gram. And yes, I use goat meat, and here's my goat meat, you guys, and some tomatoes. So I'll be blending the fresh tomatoes and the peppers along with onion, garlic and ginger. Guys, don't skip this very key ingredient. You're just building the flavor for the stew, so don't skip that part. So in a heated pot, go in with your vegetable oil, and when that is all heated up, you're going to pour in your chopped onion. This is me just throwing in one onion to check if it's hot enough. So yes, you're going to let this fry to release its fragrance, and after about 30 seconds I'll be going in with my tomato paste, and I'm just going to stir this in and fry for a few minutes until you can see that it's properly incorporated in the oil, if that makes sense. Or you can test it to see if it's sweet already. That's when you know it's ready. So when it's looking like this, you know we are ready to pour in our pepper mix. So that's what I'm doing now. Pour in your pepper mix. For your pepper mix, you can either boil it down, roast before blending, or you can just do this method, pour it directly, but you're going to let it cook properly. So I'm just stirring this in. Stir this and cover and just let it come to a boil. And make sure to take out the seed in your fresh tomatoes and your peppers before blending, except the scotch bonnet pepper, of course, because it's hot. So guys, it's boiling already. I'm just going to stir this, after which we'll be going in with our spices. I'll be going in with a combination of garlic, ginger and onion spice, and also a combination of curry, thyme and chicken seasoning. So I'll just stir this in and cover it and let it do its thing, guys. And after a few minutes, I'm just going to pour in our cow skin. I've already cleaned it and cut into smaller sizes. So I'm just going to pour that in, and also I'm going to go in with a little of the meat stock, and I'm going to leave this to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you guys the end result. And I have to mention at this point that I already boiled and fried our goat's meat, and you guys, my camera stopped recording when I was pouring in the goat's meat, so you're just going to see it in the stew. I'm so sorry for that, but I'll come back and show you the end results. And you should know that by now our stew is ready. You guys, the aroma of this stew is so inviting. I so loved it. And yes, this is the point where you see our goat meat in the stew. So yes, that's our goat meat and the cow skin. Guys, this stew came out so well. If you've not made your stew like this before, please, I want you to try it and thank me later. This stew is so nice and I loved it. Guys, make sure to use those natural ingredients like the peppers, garlic, ginger, and onion. It really came out well. Can you see how well our stew came out with the oil floating at the top? You guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, drop a nice comment please, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.